Hey there, folks. Remember that time everyone was freaking out about Bitcoin? Pepperidge Farm remembers. But guess what? Bitcoin's just the tip of the iceberg. It's like finding out there's a whole world of delicious ice cream beyond vanilla. Altcoins are like Bitcoin's younger, hipper siblings. Think of them as different flavors of ice cream. Some are chocolatey, some are fruity, and some are just plain weird. The point is, the world of digital currency is bigger than just Bitcoin. Now let's meet some of the altcoin all-stars. First up, we've got Ethereum, the brainy one of the bunch. If Bitcoin is like digital gold, Ethereum is like digital oil. It fuels a whole ecosystem of decentralized applications, or dApps. These dApps are like the apps on your phone, but way cooler because they're not controlled by any one company. Think of it like a decentralized app store, where developers can create all sorts of revolutionary stuff. Next, we've got Ripple, the smooth talker focused on making international payments faster and cheaper. Imagine sending money across the globe instantly without those pesky bank fees. That's Ripple's jam. It's already partnered with major financial institutions, so it's definitely one to watch. Finally, there's Litecoin, the speedy little brother of Bitcoin. It's like Bitcoin on Red Bull with faster transaction times and lower fees. While Bitcoin is busy being all slow and expensive, Litecoin's zipping around like a caffeinated squirrel, making it a popular choice for everyday transactions. These are just a few examples of the many altcoins out there. Each one has its unique strengths and weaknesses, just like any good superhero team. The key is to do your research and find the ones that align with your investment goals. Or, just pick the one with the coolest logo. No judgment here. Now, why should you care about this digital currency frenzy? Well, aside from the potential to make some sweet cash, altcoins have the potential to revolutionize a whole bunch of industries. We're talking about supply chains becoming more transparent, online voting becoming more secure, and even artists getting a fairer shake in the music industry. It's like the Wild West out there, but instead of cowboys and saloons, we've got blockchain technology and decentralized finance. Of course, with all this potential comes a healthy dose of risk. The world of altcoins is volatile, to say the least. Prices can go up and down faster than a roller coaster at Six Flags. But hey, that's part of what makes it so exciting, right? Just remember, folks, never invest more than you can afford to lose. This isn't financial advice, just me, your friendly neighborhood comedian trying to make sense of this crazy digital world we live in. Section 4. Diving into digital currency, finding your exchange. So, you're ready to dip your toes into the altcoin pool? Great. The first step is to find a reputable cryptocurrency exchange. Think of it like a digital stock market where you can buy and sell all sorts of crypto goodies. There are tons of exchanges out there, each with its own fees, features, and levels of security. Some popular options include Coinbase, Binance, and Kraken. It's like choosing a streaming service, but instead of movies and TV shows, you're browsing for Bitcoin and Ethereum. Once you've chosen your exchange, you'll need to create an account and verify your identity. This usually involves providing some personal information and maybe uploading a photo of your ID. Don't worry, it's all standard procedure. Section 5. Your first digital dollar buying cryptocurrency made easy. With your account all set up, it's time to fund it. Most exchanges accept bank transfers, credit cards, or even other cryptocurrencies. Once you've got some funds in your account, you can finally buy your first altcoin. Simply search for the coin you want, select the amount you want to buy, and hit that buy button. Congratulations, you're now the proud owner of a teeny tiny piece of the future. Just don't check the price every 5 seconds or you'll drive yourself bonkers. Section 6. Keeping your crypto-safe wallets and why you need them. Now that you've got some shiny new altcoins, you need a safe place to store them. This is where wallets come in. Cryptocurrency wallets are like digital piggy banks for your digital cash. But unlike that dusty old piggy bank on your shelf, these wallets come in different shapes and sizes. There are two main types of wallets: hot wallets and cold wallets. Hot wallets are like your everyday wallet. They're connected to the internet and are more convenient for everyday transactions. Cold wallets, on the other hand, are like your savings account. They're offline and offer more security for long-term storage. Some popular hot wallet options include Coinbase Wallet and MetaMask. For cold storage, you can consider hardware wallets like Ledger and Trezor. These little devices look like fancy USB drives and offer top-notch security for your digital assets. Remember, folks, keeping your crypto safe is crucial. Choose a wallet that suits your needs and always keep your private keys secure. Think of it like protecting your social security number, but instead of identity theft, you're guarding against digital robbery. And trust me, you don't want to be on the receiving end of that.